Intelligence Technology. My name is Manpreet Kaur and I'm your French trainer. In today's class, we are going to learn the French alphabets. Let's begin. Les alphabet. Yes, you have to say S over here. Why? Because A is a vowel, not a consonant. So it should be les alphabet. S should be silent over here, but not here. So les alphabet. Let's begin. To make it more easy, I could also give you the pronunciation in Hindi, alright, to make it more clearer. So in French, you have to write the same way as in English, but what you write in English is like what you speak, but in French, it is opposite. What you write is entirely different. So speaking part is different in French. So the pronunciation should be A, B, C, D. E is pronounced as A in French. This is F only. Now G is pronounced as J. Ash. This is E. This is G. So G is pronounced as J in French and J is pronounced as G in French. It's wonderful, right? So K is K. L is L only. M, N, O, they are same. P is P. This is Q. This is air. This is S. This is Te. So Te means this Te. So Te. This is EU. This is W. This is W. This is X. This is Y. And Z. So let's revise. Les alphabet A, B, C, D, A, F, J, Ash, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are the alphabets in French. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries related to the topic, you can comment in the section below. And thank you for watching this video till end. I hope you like it. Do not forget to share it with your near and dear ones. Do like and subscribe.